Hey guys, and today we're going to be opening nine Pokemon TCGO packs. They're not all one thing. Go to my collection. If you're not a TCGO collector, you should be one. Start off with Ancient Origins. I like this set. Can you pull out primals? I think you can. Right off the bat, I pull an Ancient Trait Baltoy and a normal Baltoy.
Nice.
Versus a Baltoy and an Entei.
All right.
Now my 8 breakpoints.
Let's do this.
I need to get a secret rare. We've opened so many of these and I haven't gotten it. No!
We did get some good pulls, so you should watch the other videos too.
Yeah. We did get some pretty good pulls. Soul King. No, that's not Howl. Come on. And normal Trevenant. 5 out of 6 packs left. Shiftry. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. I'm not getting anything. I haven't even gotten the Howl yet. Aegislash. And a Meowstic.
Oh my gosh, we keep getting Meowsticks like crazy.
Yeah. Come on, is it Meowstic Mania or something? 3 packs left. Oh no.
Well, even if we didn't get anything good, we already got a whole bunch of good ones.
Zip Striker.
Again. Lame.
2 packs left.
Dun dun dun.
Last pack. I have to pull at least a Hollow.
What? All right.
Are there any other codes around here that?
No.
Oh,
All
yeah,
right.
there are.
What?
These. Oh, well, so does this one.
All right. We'll see you later.
Goodbye.